Did you know that bone health is often linked to your diet? Studies show that an alkaline diet can help reduce inflammation and improve joint function. In this video, you'll learn about the alkaline cure and discover 7 natural remedies that promote healthy bones and joints. Many people struggle with joint pain and bone health issues, often seeking quick fixes instead of addressing underlying dietary causes. This approach can lead to a cycle of temporary relief, followed by recurring problems. By understanding the root causes, you can take the first step towards long-term health. A key factor in bone and joint health is the body's pH balance, which can be significantly influenced by diet. An imbalanced diet can lead to acidity, which in turn can cause inflammation and pain in joints. The dietary causes of joint pain and bone health issues are multifaceted. A diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to an acidic environment in the body. This acidity can cause the body to leach calcium and other minerals from bones, weakening them over time. Furthermore, an acidic environment can also lead to inflammation, which is a major contributor to joint pain. Understanding the impact of diet on bone and joint health is crucial. By making informed dietary choices, you can help maintain the body's pH balance and support overall health. This involves not just adding beneficial foods but also reducing or eliminating those that contribute to acidity. We'll delve into each of the 7 natural remedies, discussing their benefits and how they contribute to an alkaline diet that supports bone and joint health. One of the remedies is incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These include fatty fish like salmon, as well as flax seeds and walnuts. Omega-3s can help reduce joint inflammation and support bone health. Another remedy is increasing your intake of leafy green vegetables, which are rich in minerals and help maintain an alkaline balance in the body. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are excellent choices. These foods are not only alkaline but also rich in calcium, which is crucial for bone health. The key takeaway is how simple dietary changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall joint and bone health, providing a holistic approach to wellness. By focusing on an alkaline diet and incorporating these natural remedies, you can take proactive steps towards better health. This approach is about making sustainable lifestyle changes that benefit your body in the long run. Adopting an alkaline diet and incorporating natural remedies can lead to substantial improvements in joint and bone health. This holistic approach focuses on treating the body as a whole rather than just addressing symptoms. It's about creating a balance that supports overall well-being. To wrap up, we've highlighted the importance of an alkaline diet and explored effective natural remedies for maintaining healthy bones and joints. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other content on natural health remedies, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.